Hello everyone, today we will discuss about the convexal problem. So let's start. Suppose we are given with two polygons. For the left polygon, it is possible to find points x and y such that the connecting straight line xy is not fully inside the polygon P. If we can find this sort of points in a polygon, then we can say that it is a concave polygon. On the other hand, in the right polygon, for all points x and y, the connecting straight line remains inside the polygon P. If this is the case for all pair of points in polygon P, then we can say it is a convex polygon. So the left polygon is a concave polygon and the right polygon is a convex polygon. So a polygon P is convex if for every pair of points x and y in P, the line xy is also in P. So in the convexal problem, we are given with a set of planar points and we need to find the smallest convex polygon that contains all the points. For example, this convexal contains all the points. So the input is a set of planar points. In our example, we will consider Cartesian coordinates of two-dimensional points. So today we will discuss about the Quickhell algorithm to find the convexal from a set of points. But before we start analyzing the algorithm, we need to discuss some concepts of geometry. Suppose we are given with 2 points P and Q, where the corresponding coordinates are Px, Py and Qx, Qy. To compute the convexal from a set of points, one of the frequently required operations is to find the location or side of a new point with respect to a straight line joining two given points. So let us consider a new point R with coordinates Rx and Ry. So we need to know the location of R with respect to the straight line PQ. So to find the position of R or to find the side of R with respect to the straight line PQ, we can use the determinant. So if the determinant is less than 0, then PQR forms a right turn. So if the determinant is negative, then R is located to the right side of the straight line PQ. And similarly, a new point R is located to the left of straight line PQ if the determinant is greater than 0. So if the determinant is positive, then PQR performs a left turn. And if the determinant is 0, then the points are collinear. So if the determinant is 0, then R is collinear with points P and Q. So if we know the coordinates of the points, then we can use the determinant to find the side of a new point with respect to the straight line joining two given points. So we can define a function find side and pass 3 points as the parameter, and it can compute and tell us the location of the new point with respect to the given 2 points. To follow the Quickhell algorithm, we need to know the distance of a point from a line. So we can use the determinant again. We know that the area of a triangle is equals to half into base into height. Now suppose we need to find the height of these points from this line. So when we compute the distance of these points from this line, these lines represent A's and the length of this line is represented as B. For all the points, B is fixed and 2 is also constant. So from this equation, we see that D is proportional to A's. So if this point is P and this point is Q, then the determinant D can give us an estimate of the distance of r from PQ. Similarly, when this point is represented as r, then D can provide us with an estimate of the distance of r from the line PQ. So as long as we know the coordinates of 3 points, we can find the distance of one point from the line joining the other 2 points.